PWD 2019 question paper, version code is A4. Dash are primarily used for handling loose materials and vertically lifting materials from one location to another. Answer is clamshell. The relation between modulus of elasticity, modulus of rigidity and Poisson's ratio 1 by m is C equal to me divided by 2 into m plus 1. The suitable gradient within which the engineer designs the road is called as the ruling gradient. The value of ruling gradient in planes as recommended by IRC is 1 in 30. To transfer the V load at expansion joint from one slab to another slab, the answer is dowel bars are used. The relation between equivalent length and actual length of the column for one end fixed and other end hinged is L equal to L by root 2. The laboratory test for conducted to determine the extent of weathering of aggregate for the road work is soundness test. Short length of tunnel constructed to negotiate minor local obstacles is called as off-spur tunnel. The shape of the tunnel the most commonly used to carry the sewage because it gives self-cleansing velocities egg-shaped section. The tunnel of the small size constructed parallel and close to the main tunnel is known as pilot tunnel. Removal of the debris from the tunnel interior to outside is called as mucking. A tie is a tension member. As per IS 800-2007, for a rivet of diameter 24 mm, the diameter of rivet hole is larger by 2 mm. The effective area of the butt weld is taken as the product of the effective throat of the thickness and effective length of the butt weld. The slenderness ratio of a single angle stud should be less than 180 degree. Limit state of serviceability for steel structure is fire resistance, strength and deflection. The plastic suction modulus is defined as the ratio of plastic moment capacity to the yield stress. The factor of safety against overturning in masonry dam should be greater than 2. In masonry retaining wall of height h, the horizontal pressure of earth will act at a distance of h by 3 from the base. The maximum deflection of a simply supported beam of length L with uniformly distributed load W kN per unit length is 5 WL raised to 4 divided by 384 EI. Quantity for iron work are computed generally in the terms of weight in kilograms. In the estimation of plastering surfaces the deductions are not made for small opening up to 0.5 meters square, ends of rafter and ends of beam. In the design of the beam, the permissible stress for Fe 415 steel is 230 Newton per mm square. For a trapezoidal channel of base width B, the mean depth dm and the side slope 5:1, the volume of earthwork is found by formula BDM plus SDM square into L. Military organization is known as line organization. A dummy activity does not require any resources. When the loads are reversing, then the beam is designed as a doubly reinforced beam. In the limit state of design, the value of partial safety factor for dead load plus live load is 1.5. As per the IS 456-2000, the spacing of the stirrups in case of RCC beam should not exceed by distance equal to 3/4 of the effective depth of beam. If the worker dies while working on a work site, the labor law under which the compensation to him is payable is Workmen's Compensation Act.